How to buy crypto with a credit or debit card on BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily purchase cryptocurrency with credit or debit card on BingX. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Launch open your BingX application on your smartphone, or you may also visit the official website of BingX. After you are logged into your account, make sure that you've also completed KYC verification or identity verification, which is required before buying crypto. Now once you're inside the home page of BingX, go ahead and click on the Quick Buy button at the top left corner to initiate Quick Buy option. Now the next thing to do is to make sure you're inside the Buy tab and then select your cryptocurrency you want to purchase right underneath the Buy button. After making a selection, go to the top right and tap on the USD drop-down and choose your fiat currency. After choosing your currency or making sure of your currency, go to the next field at the bottom and type in the amount of currency you are willing to spend to purchase the chosen cryptocurrency. Now, at the bottom, you'll see the Buy button. Along with the estimated rate, simply tap the Buy button and follow through the instructions. If you haven't completed your KYC, then you'll be asked to complete it first after you press on Buy. On the next page, select Credit/Debit Card option and tap on Add a Card button underneath it. After tapping on Add a Card, you'll need to go ahead and enter your card details. Make sure your card supports international and online transactions. Enter the information correctly and confirm the billing details. Review the order summary carefully and click on the Add button or the Confirm button. Complete any required bank verifications, and once the payment is successful, your crypto will be credited to your BingX wallet. So that is the process on purchasing crypto with a debit or credit card on BingX. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.